You turn on your TV one day and see a no signal message. You go through the troubleshooting steps suggested by the manufacturer, but it seems like the HDMI ports are no longer functioning. There is still a way to use your TV via HDMI. You will need an adapter for this. I am using an HDMI to VGA adapter. The VGA port is usually found on older devices and it is a female 15-pin socket marked as RGB in. If you don't have a VGA port or cannot find an adapter for it, you can use an HDMI to composite converter. It may work even better. Composite video and audio inputs look like this. The adapter goes in. Because VGA is a video input only, there is a separate cable for transmitting sound. Now, any device can be used via HDMI as usual. I'm connecting a Google Chromecast for a test. And now it says on the screen that we are ready to watch. You can make reed fishing floats without any special materials. The image is sharp, but there is some noticeable visual hum on the bright areas. The quality is much better than I expected and the TV is usable again. If more than one device needs to be connected, an HDMI splitter can help with that. Even if you plan to replace your TV with a new one, it is still worth to fix the old one rather than throwing it away and use it as a second TV or donate it to whoever may need it.